guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making some elegant glam home decor items. So what you're going to need, you'll need some white faux pearls from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 2 different types of glass canisters. You're going to need 2 mini candle holders. You're going to need 1 bud vase, and you're also going to need some looking glass spray paint. And I picked the looking glass spray paint up at Michael's, and I'm going to be using some hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. Let's get started. Okay, didn't these glam, elegant home decor items turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIYs a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and family. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I'd like to thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.